Okay, welcome to our geometry videos here. We got homework unit 7, number 121. Examine the spinner, and the probability of spinning a -8 is the same as 0. So the probability of 6 here is 1/2, probability of landing in section A is 1/4, and then these are each a 1/8 chance or 1/8 probability of landing there. So find the spinner's expected value if the value of region A is 8. So that means we have 6 times the probability of 1/2 plus 8 times the probability of 1/4 plus -8 times the probability of 1/8 plus 0 times the probability of 1/8. So 6 times 1/2 is 3, 8 times 1/4 is 2, -8 times 1/8 is -1, and 0 times anything is 0. So 3 plus 2 is 5, minus 1 is 4. So the answer to part A, the spinner's expected value, with the value of region A of 8, is 4. Find the spinner's expected value if the value of region A is -4. So we still have 6 times the probability of 1/2, plus now -4 times the probability of 1/4, plus -8 times the probability of 1/8, plus 0 times the probability of 1/8. So multiply these out. 6 times 1/2 is 3, minus 4 times 1/4 is 1, -8 times 1/8 is -1, and 0 times anything is 0. So 3 minus 1 is 1. So that's answer part B. Part C says, what does the value of region A need to be so that the expected value of the spinner is 0? Okay, well, let's set that up. So 0 equals 6 times the probability of 1/2 plus -8 times the probability of 1/8 plus 0 times the probability of 1/8 plus A, what we're trying to find, times the probability of 1/4. 6 times 1/2 is 3, -8 times 1/8 is -1, 0 times 1/8 is 0, and then we have A over 4, or A times 1/4. So combining what we can here, 3 minus 1 is 2, so we have 2 plus A over 4 equals 0. I'll move 2 to the other side. So -2 equals A over 4. Multiplying both sides by 4, we get A to equal -8. So if the value of A is -8, then the spinner's expected value would be 0, and the game would be completely fair. If you have any questions about how we use the probability and the value of each section in the spinner in order to find the expected value, feel free to leave a question or comment. Otherwise, you're more than welcome to like, subscribe, or share to our geometry channel.